Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit panning photos in EPIK Photo Editor. So first, what you guys need to do is prepare your photo. In this case, I'm going to click on Start Editing and choose this photo of someone's riding a motorcycles, and I want to make it looks like has a panning effects. And what you need to do is go to effects and then choose blur, and here choose motion 3 and then adjust the effects, the intensity. You can adjust it as you want, like this, and then the age is 20, and okay, I'm going to set it like this. And after that, you can add filters. In this case, I'm going to find the cinnamon filters and choose espresso, and here go to adjust and select HSL, this one's right here, and then lower the yellow and green color saturation. So I'm going to just set it to -100 for this green and yellow saturations, and then after that add vignette effects if you want. Okay, this one's right here. I'm going to set it, okay, I think 27 is enough, or 26. And then after that, here is the panning effects on my photo. You can see there is the difference, and the panning effects is there. Okay guys, so I think that's all from me. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like the video, please do click on the thumbs up icon. Don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe to our channel. See you at the next tutorial. Bye.